In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable QR code or Wisetag on your Wise account. If you've ever needed to quickly exchange details in a secure and efficient manner, enabling your QR code or Wisetag can be incredibly useful. Let's go through the process step by step to make sure you're fully equipped. First, you'll want to open your Wise account. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go on either your web browser or the Wise app. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's crucial to know where everything is, especially for newer users. If you haven't dived into Wise before, it's a neat platform that helps you manage finances globally with ease. Next, you'll need to click on your profile picture or your username, which is usually located in the top corner of the screen. This is the main hub for most of your account settings and personal information. It's a good idea to keep this area of your account up to date to ensure all your information is correct and secure. After you've clicked on your profile, you'll want to locate and click on your Wise tag. This is not only an identifier for you within the Wise community, but it also enables you to manage how you share your Wise details with others. If you're not sure where to find it, look for a section or a tab that is prominently labeled. Using your Wise tag can significantly streamline various processes, especially if you're dealing with multiple transactions or exchanges frequently. Once you've accessed your Wise tag, the screen should display your QR code. QR codes are fantastic tools for quick sharing of information without the need for typing out details manually. With your QR code, anyone you authorize will be able to access specific information smoothly without lengthy procedures or paperwork. Furthermore, showing your QR code in settings or on your apps ensures that you're staying ahead in our fast-paced digital world. Lastly, make sure to periodically check back to your settings to ensure your details are still accurate and functioning as expected. Regular checks can avoid minor inconveniences down the line. And that's it. You're now ready to efficiently share your information with just a scan. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're feeling confident about using and sharing your QR code or Wise tag on your Wise account. It's incredible how technology can simplify our lives, and by keeping these tools handy, you're sure to make your interactions as seamless as possible. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more tips and guides.